Hello, come back today again with learning one Thai word with dog today. I'm going to present you about the part of the body again. So in front of the camera you can see my hands. In English we call hands. In Thai we call มือ So basically if you want to do the manicure something like that, basically it's concerned about the nails and the fingers. So or the hands, clean the hands. So it means like มือ I want to clean my hand ฉันต้องการล้างมือ hands in Thai มือ So it's a short word, and in the next video we're gonna talk more about the lower part of our body. So hope you enjoy it and see you for the next time. Bye bye.